Hi, how's it going everyone? We are here to stay down at the Gold Coast. Just a quick holiday weekend. Quick tour of the place. The place comes with a pool and a sauna. It's winter at the moment, might just be a little bit too cold for a swim. This is what happens when you don't plan your weekend. You miss out. There's this event that we did not know about until the last night of our stay. It's called Glow. Lights everywhere. It's fun for kids. We wanted to take them there. Anyway, we turn up. And the amount of people there were just insane. Families everywhere with kids. Cars tried to pull into the car park. We just gave up and we decided to go back the next morning. Next year maybe? Just to give you an idea of this event. Although we missed out on this event, the next morning the market was on. And who doesn't love the market? Last day, we have to get prepared to leave this place. Look at this view, I'm going to miss it so much. And just before we leave, Sunday market and the park. I cannot possibly be more grateful for a beautiful day like today.